Hi everyone, in this video we'll learn how Python treats uppercase and lowercase letters as different variables. This is called case sensitivity. Let's see how it works. And here is our example program. Small letter A is assigned to number 10 and capital letter A is assigned to CDSPGC. Print the value of A, small letter A, and print value of capital letter A. Let's run this program. As you can see, Python shows two different values. That because small letter A and capital A are not the same. The case sensitive.
And in Python, it's called case sensitivity.
And that's it.